Hello everyone, I am Pranshu and welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different from my usual videos just because I won't be teaching you anything, neither anything is scripted. I'm just going to share some points with you which are written on this diary over here. So this morning I saw my social media and got to know that the software edition of Smart India Hackathon 2020 is starting today, which is yesterday basically, just because it's 1 a.m. in the morning right now. So yeah, so it's really great that even in this COVID pandemic, India is not stepping back to bring innovation from the students itself. So it's really great to see that. So basically in this video, it will be a one-to-one talk between you and me, where I will be sharing my journey and experience of Smart India Hackathon 2019, and I will be telling what mistakes I did and what I learned from them. So maybe it can be helpful for you too. Also, if you are thinking why you should listen to me, then just for a note, I am one of the winners of Smart India Hackathon 2019 Hardware Edition. So just take my word for it that whatever I am going to say is from my personal experience and I have felt it firsthand, so I know it's tough. And if you are my usual subscriber looking for videos on robotics and ROS and not interested in my Smart India Hackathon journey, then go to this timestamp. I have a special message for you. So throughout this video, I will be focusing on 10 points that you should keep in mind when you are a part of Smart India Hackathon, and they will be useful in some or the other point throughout this journey. So stay tuned and watch the video till end to know everything about it. So for the people who don't know what is SIH, so SIH stands for Smart India Hackathon, which is a competition organized by the Government of India and MHRD, which is now soon to be renamed. So this competition bridges the gap between the students and the industries. So at the start of the competition, various companies all across India put their problem statements on the SIH's website, where students can look through it and then they can apply for a specific problem statement to which they have a solution. And if you get selected to that point, then company will approach you and then you can work alongside company to solve that problem. And it's really a great exposure for students to go to a company and then work on the project. So when I participated in Smart India Hackathon last year, almost 40 plus companies submitted their 200 plus problem statements, where 20,000 plus ideas to those problems were suggested by 1.2 lakh students. So just imagine the level of competition over there. Almost 100 ideas to solve just one problem, and that's really a huge deal. It got very difficult for the Smart India Hackathon team to segregate these 20,000 ideas, and hence they changed the competition rules this time, that every school or college has to send selected number of students to the Smart India Hackathon. But previously it was not there, so it was open for everyone. Later on at my stage, out of these 20,000 ideas per problem statement, you can consider 100 teams. So top 5 teams were considered and then qualified to the next round, which was prototype round, in which you have to build a prototype and send a video about it to Smart India Hackathon. And then out of these 5 teams, they will choose top 2 teams for the finals of Smart India Hackathon, where they will compete face to face to solve this one problem statement. And at the end of the competition, obviously the team will get the prize amount and along with the opportunity to work with the company for bringing this idea to reality. And that is really a proud moment, so you should definitely experience it. It's a great moment for everyone. So I guess that is enough to know what Smart India Hackathon is, and let's get started with my journey of Smart India Hackathon, and step by step I will tell you the lessons I learned from it. So lesson number 1, make friends. Human is a social animal, okay? It's really true. So when the centers were released for Smart India Hackathon finals, our team's center was Bangalore. So yeah, we have to travel from Pune to Bangalore for the hackathon. So it was a place where we didn't went earlier, and it is a completely new place for us too. And when you don't know the local language, it becomes even more difficult. So what we did was we went through the list again and we saw which other teams are going from Pune to Bangalore, and we contacted them over Instagram, okay? So Prajwal's team from MIT was one of them who replied back. We realized that both of our teams were going by same train, not same coach but same train. So we just kept in touch, and when we met at railway station and then we both of the teams went together. So instead of just we 6 going together, it was a team of total 12 members. Though we were on different teams, but yeah, we were like one family who was going from Pune to Bangalore. So in the train we had great conversations overnight. So we came to realize that even they won Smart India Hackathon Software Edition, and now they are in the finals of Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition 2. So it was really great. And what happens is like the friends you make in Smart India Hackathon are really helpful just because of one thing. So तुम्हें स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस में तो बहुत फ्रेंड्स मिलते होंगे, ओके, कि ऐसा बोलता होगा चलो चल बंक मार लेते हैं, चलता है ये वो. या डेफिनेटली इट्स गुड टू डू इट समटाइम्स, इट्स गुड टू हैव फन, बट people who are selected for Smart India Hackathon, they have earned it by their efforts, okay, and being friends with such people is really valuable just because they know their career path. Like उन्होंने उतनी मेहनत की है जब तब जाके वो उतने फाइनल्स पे आ चुके हैं, and even you are one of them. You have done all the hard work and efforts to reach the finals of Smart India Hackathon. So the brain level of you and them match very perfectly. And that is really great. वो same wavelength के मिल जाते हैं. In fact, I should confess that Ganesh, Prajwal, Namrata, Pandyan, Sharath, Manish, they were some of my friends who I'm still in touch with, and they're the best people I have met in my life till now.
बोलो कुछ. आज ऑफिशियली खत्म हो गया 5वें दिन.
आज ऑफिशियली 5वां दिन खत्म हो गया है. कोई 36 घंटे की कोडिंग नहीं की.
36 घंटे थे ही नहीं ना भाई. 24x5
पिछले बार वाला
120 घंटे.
4 घंटे
को टीम. हाय
4 बजे सोए थे. 4 घंटे.
अजून काय कोणाला काय बोलायचं. विनिंग टीम.
लेट्स स्टार्ट द इंटरव्यू.
अजूनही आम्ही जिंकलेलो
सो आपको आपकी जीत के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
अभी तक मैं जीता नहीं हूँ, ओके, अब तक कंफर्म नहीं है, हो सकता है.
आप 1 लाख रुपए का क्या करेंगी?
नहीं, हमारा 1 लाख नहीं, हमारा 75. Even after Smart India Hackathon, I worked with Manish on a project for him, and yeah, it was a great experience. So अभी भी मेरी पूरी टीम सबसे बात करती है, and we all are in touch together, and these were seriously the guys who made Smart India Hackathon so much special for me. So guys, if you are watching, thank you so much for being there with us throughout the Smart India Hackathon. It was a great experience just because of you. So yeah, make friends, be friends with your competitors, because यही लोग हैं जिनकी वेवलेंथ तुम्हारे साथ मैच होती है, ओके, जिनका थॉट प्रोसेस तुम्हारे साथ मैच होता है, उनका नॉलेज लेवल तुम्हारे साथ मैच होता है, and those friends are really valuable. Sadly, this year's hackathon will be online, so maybe वो ऐसा सारी चीज़ें नहीं हो पाए, सब collectively उतने अच्छे friends ना बन पाए, but definitely you should try to connect with some people over Instagram जिनका तुम्हें प्रोफाइल पता है, if you have heard their name, if it's a team leader, if he is your opponent, just have a talk with them. Maybe even they will like to have a talk with you, share your ideas with them, and it will turn out to be a great conversation, I'm sure about it. Lesson number 2, it is a great experience to be a part of Smart India Hackathon, so don't miss it. So basically, Smart India Hackathon Software Edition is of 2 days, and Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition is of 5 days. So yeah, Hardware Edition वालों को एक एडवांटेज मिल जाता है कि 5 दिन है तो ज़्यादा टाइम मिल जाता है, we have good bonding. बट राइट नाउ मुझे नहीं लगता उसके अराउंड कुछ होगा. जितना भी टाइम हो, जितने भी दिन तुम स्पेंड कर रहे हो स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन में, दे आर रियली मेमोरेबल. इन दोज 2 to 5 days you feel like a VIP. So when we were there for Smart India Hackathon, all our transportation was reimbursed by Smart India Hackathon. When we reached there in Bangalore, there was a bus ready for us to pick up, and it really felt like a VIP treatment just because जैसे ही आप उधर पहुँचे, there is a bus, they take you to the college, you have a room over there, and it was really very well managed. So I have been to various competitions apart from Smart India Hackathon. I have visited many other colleges, but trust me, Smart India Hackathon का experience ही कुछ अलग रहता है. Plus you have complete food reservations, you have coffees 24/7. काम तो करना ही है 24/7. So it is a great experience कि सब साथ में काम कर रहे हैं रात भर. अभी तो तुम लोग अपने कोडिंग लैपटॉप पे कर रहे होगे, लेकिन it was a great experience कि सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं. I used to feel when I was at home कि भाई मैं अकेला ही काम करता हूँ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स सो जाते हैं, मेरे रूममेट्स सो जाते हैं, but at that moment everyone was awake, everyone was working on their projects, and it was like dedication level देख के ना खुद में भी इंस्पिरेशन जग के आ जाता है. और वो इंस्पिरेशन और बढ़ाने के लिए there is 24/7 food, there is coffee, to keep you awake, and many other stuff. And in this time, try to connect with as much people as possible. So even मैं और मेरे teammates हम जाते थे दूसरे team के पास और पूछते थे what is their project. We used to talk to them. We used to suggest them some ideas. So like अगर उसका किसी का project है and we have worked on it before, so we used to tell them just try this. It might work better or something like this. Even we used to get many more suggestions from other people. And वो collaboration जो रहता है ना, तो जीतना हारना तो अलग चीज़ है, लेकिन वो collaboration seriously हमारा knowledge level बढ़ा देता है. Which brings to our third lesson, which is learn. Learn from the people over there. Learn from the teams over there. Learn from the friends that you made over there. तो हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ एक टिप बताएगा जो कि तुम्हारे लिए यूजफुल होगी, which will grow your mind one level ahead. So learn from the judges over there. So before Smart India Hackathon, I used to think कि भाई जजेस को क्या पता चलता है, उनका जनरेशन अलग था, वो अलग तरीके से सीखे थे, हम अलग तरीके से सीखे थे. लेकिन जजेस at Smart India Hackathon changed my mindset for judges. They were top-notch level people. They were people who know what they are doing and how technology is going ahead, and they were totally up to date. In fact, I am in still touch with one of the judges, which was Chirag Goyal sir. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट वर्चुअल रियलिटी के अराउंड था, तो whenever Chirag sir sees some social media post regarding virtual reality, he sends it to me over Instagram, and in fact even he tagged me yesterday in one of his posts. That really feels cute, you know, that connection. It's great to be in touch with judges and mentors who can guide your life towards a better future. And last but the most important person, learn from this problem statement provider. So the person who gave that problem statement, he has worked on it for years now, and वो नहीं solve कर पाए, इसीलिए वो तुमसे चाहते हैं कि तुम करो. And he has tried each and everything he could to make that thing possible. So try to learn from him. So when we were in the prototyping stage, we were confused that what to do, because हमें पता नहीं था वो कंपनी पहले से क्या कर चुकी है. Maybe ऐसा होता कि we have suggested one thing and maybe the company has already did it, so it would be total waste of time. So we tried to get in touch with the problem statement provider from LinkedIn, and we talked to him, and he guided us really well, and in पूरा time he was very supportive with us. जैसे भी हम कोई अपडेट करते थे, we used to show him, we used to ask for feedback. Sir, हम इसमें और क्या changes करें ताकि आपके लिए वो solution suit हो. And this is how Smart India Hackathon works, by learning from each and every person over there. In fact, right now Smart India Hackathon is happening online, so you have a chance to communicate one-to-one with that person. And it can be anything, right from the officers at MHRD to Mr. Narendra Modi. So you can have a talk with him. आप उनसे बात करो, अगर आपकी आइडिया उनको पसंद आए तो obviously they will take it forward just ahead of Smart India Hackathon. You can get a chance to work with them personally. So try to make as much contacts as possible from Smart India Hackathon. And this is the same thing which I will be continuing in the fourth lesson, which is try to look for industrial opportunities. So throughout the 5 days of Smart India Hackathon, we were having continuous evaluation. हर दिन कोई एक नया जज आता था. We used to present our product to him, and then he used to give some inputs, and then we have to work over it. On the third day of hackathon, the main problem statement provider came and saw our product, and he was so happy that he fixed a meeting on the 4th day of hackathon with the vice president of the company, and that was a really huge moment for us. So he managed the complete transportation system for us from the college, which was the center for Smart India Hackathon, to the company's headquarters in Bangalore City, where we presented our idea to the director and vice president of that company. And it was a really great experience to have it, okay? We were treated like VIPs over there. And not only during Smart India Hackathon, even after we completed the Smart India Hackathon, we got a chance to present our model to the company and sell it to them during their Tech Fest. So after the Smart India Hackathon ended in July 2019, we were invited again to the company in September or August or September maybe in 2019 itself, where we presented our product at the Tech Expo of the company. So and for that company ने हमारे लिए flight tickets book किए थे. We were escorted from Bangalore airport to our hotels. We worked over there in company for 2 days, and उधर हमने उनके PCs use किए थे, and it was super powerful PCs, okay, trust me, it was like 256 GB of RAM just for a standard PC. I'm talking about standard PC, okay, not the high-end PC. Standard PC had 256 gigabytes of RAM, and it was a great experience after the Smart India Hackathon as well. So try to get industrial connects through this opportunity. Right now what you can do is, जो भी आपके mentors है सामने आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, आपको जो सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, and if you think he's a little bit impressed by your idea, by your answering skills, so try to find them on LinkedIn, get in touch with them, tell them that you asked me this question and we were from Smart India Hackathon, हमने ये बनाया था. Maybe he will be impressed and then maybe he will take your idea further. And that was how our 4th day ended at Smart India Hackathon, where we were totally happy that हमने प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट जिन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया था उनको ही हम प्रेजेंट करके आए हैं, and they are रियली हैप्पी विद द सॉल्यूशन. बट हर फिल्म में तो क्लाइमैक्स आता ही है, एंड हमारी फिल्म में भी आना ही था. So when we returned from the 4th day after the presentation from the company, हमने देखा कि हमारे जो अपोनेंट्स थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस में थे. उससे हम थोड़ा टेंशन में आ गए थे. सो स्टार्टिंग के हैकाथॉन के जितने भी दिन थे, स्टार्टिंग के 3 to 4 days, तब they were not so confident. हमें लग नहीं रहा था कि उन्होंने कुछ किया होगा या फिर जो भी है. लेकिन at the 4th day when we returned from that presentation, they were so confident that भाई हम ही जीतेंगे, and that scared us a little bit. Okay, frankly speaking, we got scared कि भाई हम जब इधर नहीं थे तब उन्होंने क्या कर लिया that we don't know anything about. So this is the 5th point, that never underestimate your opponent. तुम्हें पता नहीं है वो किस चीज़ पे काम कर रहा है. You don't know that what is his background. You don't know what they have worked on already, and maybe they are more intelligent or more superior than you. So don't ever underestimate them. And उनका confidence देख के हम इतना डर गए थे कि that brings to my 6th point, keep on trying. Okay, so even though we have presented our idea to company, even though they are happy, but हमारे opponents का confidence देख के हमें लगा कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि वो हमारा देख के सब सीख गए और फिर उन्होंने खुद बना लिया and they have added something extra. So keep on trying to improve your product. You have no idea कि किस moment पे क्या हो जाए. So on the 4th night, when we returned from the company, even though we are tired after the presentation, we kept on working the whole night. Okay, and we were trying to improve our product as much as possible. And then वो हुआ जो नहीं होना चाहिए था. Sadly on the 5th day we had the final presentation. Okay, जो Smart India Hackathon का results आते हैं, जब final judges आते हैं, it was around 2 PM and 11 AM को, सुबह के 11 बजे we were working on final touches of our product. इसके अंदर our product was basically a VR headset, but हमें उसको present और अच्छे वे में करना था. तो what we did was we made a huge stand जिसके अंदर से हम पूरे wires feed कर रहे थे, just so that wires का tanglement नहीं रहे नीचे. So it was our idea, but हमने वो stand वैसे ही रखा था. We like placed our VR headset on top of it, and then we were coding on our PC, and वो पूरा stand along with the VR headset नीचे गिर गया and everything broke. Okay, just before how many 3 to 4 hours before the final presentation, we had nothing. We had zero thing in our hand to show. Also जो last moment पे हमारा सब खराब हो चुका था. So that brings to our 7th point, which is keep it simple. Okay, don't make stuff fancy. ये तुम्हें कोई नहीं बताता है. Everyone tells कि जितना अच्छा हो सके, जितना सुंदर हो सके उतना बनाओ. लेकिन if that harms your product in any way, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते, भले ही कितना ही फैंसी हो. अगर फंक्शनल नहीं है तो इट हैज़ नो पॉइंट. ओके, सो वी डिड दिस मिस्टेक दैट हमने बहुत फैंसी बनाने की कोशिश की. वी ट्राई टू मेक इट मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड देन इट वॉज सपोज टू बी, एंड दैट लैंडेड अस इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो ट्राई टू कीप योर स्टफ एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल. Not only in hardware but also in software. If you are trying to work with multiple libraries, try to avoid these multiple libraries and एक ही किसी लाइब्रेरी पे काम करो. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई जावास्क्रिप्ट में कोड किया फिर वो पाइथन में उसका डेटा भेजता है एंड फिर आगे और एंड सो ऑन. ऐसा होता है. तो बहुत लोग मैंने देखा है इनफैक्ट ऐसी चीज़ें करते हैं जस्ट टू शो कि मतलब जब भी कोई जज आए तो उसको फाड़ इंग्लिश में बोल देंगे कि वी यूज दिस 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 एंड दिस. Even they will get impressed just because you have used so many things. So it is not like that. Try to keep your things as simple as possible, and that is what we did. Even if everything was destroyed, we assembled all the important and simple parts which was needed. And यहाँ मैं वापस एक बार बताना चाहूँगा point 6, which was keep trying. You have to keep trying even then. You don't have to lose hope. and that is where your point number 8 comes, which is your team. Your team is your only hope in Smart India Hackathon. Smart India Hackathon is not an individual player game, it is a team game. Okay, here I have to mention several things. Okay, so जब स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन स्टार्टिंग में हुआ था, जब फ्यू पीपल गॉट क्वालिफाइड, आई गॉट मेनी डीएम्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम सेइंग कि भैया हम क्या करें, हम अकेले हैं टीम में काम करने वाले एंड बाकी के कुछ लोग कर नहीं रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ डमी प्लेयर्स है. गाइज, यू नीड टू चेंज योर टीम सीरियसली. यू कांट प्ले स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन अलोन. इट्स अ 2 to 5 day हैकेथॉन जहाँ तुम्हें दिन रात काम करना होता है. यू अलोन कांट वर्क. You have to work in team, you have to work in shifts. That is what we were doing during the Smart India Hackathon. Each and every person in that 6-member team was important for that whole team. We were working like Avengers. अगर एक भी person निकल गया तो we had finished. Okay, we were nothing without a one person of that 6 people. Your team is everything for you. Even during Smart India Hackathon, just 2 days before Smart India Hackathon, मैं अपने इंटर्नशिप से आया था ओडिशा से, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई द हेल वो थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग में वगैरह हो गया या आई डोंट नो, बट चिकन पॉक्स हो गया था मुझे. ओके, जस्ट 2 days बिफोर द स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन. एंड जाने से पहले ऑब्वियसली चिकन पॉक्स क्योर करके जाना ही है, कुछ करना है. वो बहुत हेक्टिक चीज़ हो गई थी. आई टुक हाई डोसेस ऑफ वैक्सीन सो दैट मैं कुछ करके ठीक हो जाऊँ. आई वॉज लिटरली हाई ऑन फीवर, आई वॉज फीलिंग डिजी, but my team was the people who kept the thing going. So Smart India Hackathon अकेले से कभी नहीं होता है. Even if you are thinking कि भाई मैं अकेला ही सब कर लूँगा, don't keep this in your mind even for a second. Smart India Hackathon is a team game. Okay, so consider your team as your god. And finally, along with my team, we completed that complete thing in the 4-hour time and we presented it, and yes, we won Smart India Hackathon. Yeah, even if जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा था, हमारे हार्ट बीट से इधर तक आके गए थे बस, लाइक क्योंकि वी वर नॉट श्योर, क्योंकि हमने पूरा ढंग से प्रेजेंट नहीं किया था. इवन दो कंपनी वॉज हैप्पी बट वी डिडंट डिलीवर व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्टेड. वो तो कभी होता ही नहीं है खैर, लेकिन इवन वी डिडंट न्यू कि भाई सामने वाली टीम ने क्या बनाया है. वी हैड नो आइडिया. उनका कॉन्फिडेंस तो अलग ही लेवल का था, उससे ही हम डर गए थे उनके कॉन्फिडेंस से. सो या, दिस कंप्लीट जर्नी ऑफ स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन वाज विद लॉट्स ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स. सो नेवर लाइक थिंक कि भाई हमें सब आता है, हम जीत जाएंगे आराम से. इट्स ऑल अप्स एंड डाउन का गेम. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू प्ले इट वेल. एंड व्हेन आई से प्ले इट वेल, it brings to my 9th point, that is plagiarism. I didn't thought about it when I was participating in Smart India Hackathon last year, but recently I got DMs from some person on my Instagram saying that I want your help in a project. So yeah, so basically I help people. Whenever someone approaches me on Instagram saying कि भैया मुझे इस चीज़ में help चाहिए, I never say no. Okay, मैं उनको जितना मदद हो सके मेरे तरफ से मैं करता हूँ. And this person came to me saying, I want to make this thing. So मैं बोला nice, okay, so it's a nice idea. I will help with it. So I will guide you through the process की how you can make it. So he said, no, I don't have time. I have to make it. And he sent me a PDF document जिसके अंदर पूरा idea describe था. I went through that PDF document and I soon realized that it was for Smart India Hackathon. So what that person was trying to do is he suggested something to the ministry of some company, okay, an idea he suggested, but he didn't know how to make that idea, and luckily he got selected. Okay, so instead of people who suggested their ideas what they can build, instead of those person who deserved it, a person who didn't know how to make it got selected, and he was expecting me to build it. I tried to talk to him कि भाई ऐसा नहीं करते, but he was forcing me कि भैया प्लीज़ आप करो. So just to avoid him, I gave him a cost भाई 5 लाख रुपए दे दे मुझे, मैं बना के दे दूँगा, just to avoid him. Okay, and you won't believe कि उसका reply क्या आया. He said that भैया मेरे पास 5 लाख रुपए तो नहीं है, लेकिन I can assure अगर मैं स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन जीत गया तो उसका 50% प्राइज मनी आप रख लेना. I was shocked to see that कि like Smart India Hackathon is like something which is very close to my heart just because it gave me such a great exposure. But this person is trying to defame it just by like selling the prize money, which is not at all good. Okay, so I just thought for a moment कि अगर ठीक है मैं इसकी मदद कर भी दूँ, okay, but what if the other team, his opponent team, is more deserving than him? What if the other team had worked day and night to make that thing possible, and just because one experienced person is trying to help the other team, maybe they won't win it? So मैंने उसको clear straight away बोल दिया कि I can't help in this. This is a fair game. Play it as a fair game, and please don't spoil this Smart India Hackathon due to plagiarism, because I've seen this happening very lately that people buy final year projects from some other people, and I don't really think कि वो अच्छी बात है. So please people stop doing this, please. आपको इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करनी है, आपको इंजीनियरिंग नहीं आती, मत करो. Try to explain it to your parents कि आपका पैशन कहीं और है, but don't just spoil this engineering field. Okay, there are people who are working day and night just to become engineers. Okay, fine, so let be. So that brings to my 10th point. Take advantage of the alumni network of SIH. Even if you win the SIH or don't, it doesn't matter. Your email addresses is with MHRD, it is with the Ministry of Government, and they try to come up with new ideas, new competitions every month, and they keep on sending you new emails time to time. So actively read those emails, try to look for opportunities. If you are a winner, they try to incubate your idea and make it into a startup. So this is something which I didn't apply for because I sold my product to the company itself in the September. But later on, the government take efforts to bring your product as your own startup. So try to do it, okay? Try to be a part of this SIH alumni network. And apart from this, there's also a group on Facebook where all the winners of Smart India Hackathon are joined. I will leave the link to that group down in the description so you can check it out. So in a nutshell, SIH was, is and will be my best experience in my life. People I met there, friends I made there, mentors that I got to meet will always be there in my heart ever and ever. इस साल आप select नहीं हुए तो don't worry, don't lose hopes. Try again next year. It's a great experience, and I believe that each and every student of India should at least try it once in their life. So please take it in a healthy manner and enjoy it. That's all I want to say. Also, this video is dedicated to all the friends that I made at Smart India Hackathon. So happy Friendship Day guys, and thank you for being there with me in that moment. Wait, अब तक video खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So I tried something new on this channel today with this video. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like. Also sorry that I was unable to upload on robot operating system in this 1 month duration, just because I got stuck in some of my professional work, and even I had my final year examinations, so I was stuck in that. But now I am back, and as you can see, we have a new background over here. Right now I am at my hometown, and I will be shooting from here, and I will be uploading new videos on robot operating system starting this week. So stay tuned for that. Also, I've seen that almost 70% of people who are watching this video are not subscribed to my channel. So guys, अगर अब तक देख रहे हो वीडियो तो please subscribe कर दो यार, free है, उसमें तो कुछ लगता भी नहीं है. And yes, if you have any more suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. That was it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.